WasteWater Dan presents articles published online. As a new service of ESDLT's Conserve-on-water.com, today's example, introduce Water Online magazine published articles online by WasteWater Dan, and I refer to this as the Water Online magazine. So first thing I'd like to do is show you an easy way to access all of these 14 articles as of through 2014, or 14 articles. Access all of them from my website. And you can simply type on your browser conserve-on-water.com and click enter, and this is the web page of mine that you should see. All these links, some picture of me. And on that web page right below that, you should see a bunch of icons, of which this would be one of the icons that you should see. So that's actually taking you to this ESDLT web page that you see right above that. So that's got all 14 of the articles linked from that page, and so that's the page I'll be using to work from as I produce this video. Now you can go to Water Online, my authoring page, which is the other web link right above the icon, and that will link you to many of the articles that I publish, but not everyone is actually on my web page, on my authoring page on their site. So you can do it either way, but I'm going to work off of my website. Okay, so we started a series of math solutions. So 7 of the 14 articles are within that series, but there are other articles that I've authored and published on their site, which includes wastewater treatment controls, storing substances, and other wastewater articles. So there are 14 articles they published between October 2012 and December 2014. So in this video, I'm going to actually link you to each of those articles. I'll give you the publication date, the title, and the web link on the Water Online website. In 2015, I should be publishing articles on the same frequency of once a month. So if you go to my web page or go to their page, you should be able to see the updated articles as they are published. So let's go ahead and get started, and what I'm going to do is just simply identify the publication date, the title, and the link for each of these articles. So the first one we have, and these are going to be presented to you in the order that they're on my website. Most of them are in chronological order, but this one is not. This is one I just happen to have on the top of the page. But it was published December 3, 2012. It was titled Wastewater pH Balance for Treatment, and this is their link on their webpage. Now the second one here, and the next 6, that'd be 7 of them in a row, are going to be the 7 articles in the math solutions. So I'm just going to identify the math topic and the link and the publication date. So on December 1, 2014, which was the last one I published on the math solution, this is load calculations, and this is the link here on their site. The next one in that series, Math Solutions, was published October 28, 2014, and that one was on poundage calculations, and this is a web link. And by the way, for each one of these articles, I have about 5 specific math calculations. It links, most of those will link to other calculations, and I will also direct you to my playlist on YouTube for math solutions, of which there were 77 solutions on the math playlist as of the end of 2014. So that will also be available from their site. The next one is on pump performance and efficiency calculations which was published September 26, 2014, and this is their link. I also published in September 13, 2014, an article on volume calculations, and this is the link there. And on August 4th, 2014, published an article on flow rate conversions, and that one is there. July 10, 2014, I did an article on waste activated sludge calculations, and these are the links here. And finally, I started the Mass Solutions in June 17, 2014 with an introductory article titled Mass Solutions for Wastewater Operator Certification, and this is the link to that article. Now these remaining 6 articles are other articles that I published. They're not in the Mass Solutions, but they're in other wastewater topics. So this is Article 9 of 14, which was published March 25, 2014, titled 4 Safety Considerations for Anyone Storing, Handling, or Transporting Substances, and this is the link on their site. Article 10 of 14, published May 15, 2013, titled Go with the Change of Flow, 3 Overlooked Tasks at Wastewater Treatment Plants, and this is the article here. It's a link to the article. Article 11 of 14, published May 7, 2013, and it is titled Procedures and Technologies for Water-Related Efficiency, Detailed, and this is the link on their site. And Article 12 of 14, published March 5, 2013, titled One Step Environmental Resource Center. This actually is in an e-zine, so this links to the actual article in the e-zine itself. Page 24, I believe, is the page there that it was in. Now, Article 13 and Article 14 refer to my radio interview I did. I gave a radio interview in October 2012 to Water Online Radio. So this first one here talks about the October 25, 2012, Article 13 of 14, titled Emerging Contaminants and Dealing with Them. And then Article 14 covers the radio interview as well. October 23 is a published date, and Lessons from the Wastewater Wizard, and this is the link on their site. So those are all 14 articles that I've authored and published on the Water Online website. So I hope you found this article, this video to be helpful and useful. If so, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Interact often by commenting and submitting questions. You can go to my website, conserve-onwater.com, and you can click on the email drop-down window, select any one of those options, fill out the form, submit it, and I will respond. In any event, I appreciate you watching this 9-minute video, and see you soon.